that it's possible for you to do everything you want to do and have everything you want to have. But to do so, you have to change your mind. You have to change your concept of what is possible. You have to be open and willing to receive and accept all of the beauty and joy that this universe and this life has to offer you. We've all heard about the law of attraction. We all know about the law of assumption. We all know about quantum mathematics and the energy field and all these different things that all the gurus have been teaching us for all this time. Now, what I find for myself personally, and we've heard this from gurus before, is that to manifest, you have to match, or to speed up manifestation, it helps to match your energy with your thoughts and desires as if you already have it. So it's one thing to make affirmations, right? I am rich, I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am safe, I am happy. Whatever it is you want to say, but at the same time, you want to match your energy to the feeling and belief that it has already happened. Everything you wanted to manifest has already occurred, and you are now living in the afterglow of enjoyment and enjoying the benefits and the reality of the new world where you've already manifested everything that you ever wanted and everything that you ever needed. We can do this by using our imagination. We could do this by remembering a wonderful time in our life, a fantastic experience that made you feel joyful, blissful, happy as you could ever remember being. And you want to take that feeling that you remember and you want to apply that to your imagination as you're thinking about whatever it is that you want to desire, whatever it is that you want to manifest. As you're saying your affirmations, go ahead and apply that feeling that you remember from when you just felt so wonderful. And if you do this, you can help expedite and speed up manifesting all that you want. Okay? So now I want to give you a couple of affirmations that I have used that work very well for me to manifest abundance, love, happiness, joy, success, prosperity, wealth. I've manifested houses, I've manifested cars, I've manifested love, I've manifested money, and I continue to do so all day and all night. I am a master manifester, as are you. You just have to believe you are, realize that you are the creator of your reality, and go ahead and create the reality that it is that you want to live. I love to come to places like this, like near the water personally always makes me feel good. Out in nature always boosts my energy and gives my emotions what I need to feel the love that I need to be able to have in my heart, in my soul, in my spirit, in my mind, in my psyche, to be able to maximize every opportunity presented to me and manifest the life of my dreams. So with all that being said, I appreciate you watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do so. I'll be bringing you more and more content to help you manifest the life of your dreams as I manifest the life of mine. And we can be a mastermind group and manifest our best lives together.